In this video, you'll learn how to archive unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp. This process will help you manage your audience by keeping your contact list organized and up to date. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner, click on it to proceed. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Mailchimp dashboard. From here, locate and click on the audience option in the left sidebar. This section allows you to manage your contacts. If you have multiple audiences, ensure you select the correct one from the drop-down menu. Next, you need to identify the unsubscribed contacts you wish to archive. Click on All Contacts within the Audience section. This will display a list of all your contacts. Use the filter options to narrow down the list to unsubscribed contacts. Once you find the specific contact, click on their name to access their profile. After opening the contact's profile, look for the checkbox to the left of their name. Click on this checkbox to select the contact. This action allows you to perform bulk operations on your selected contacts. Once selected, notice the action bar that appears at the top of the screen. In the action bar, click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Archive. A confirmation dialog will appear, prompting you to confirm your choice. To proceed, you will need to type Archive into the provided text box. This step is necessary to ensure that archiving is intentional. Once you have typed Archive, click on the Confirm button. This action will archive the selected contact, removing them from your active list while preserving their information. It is important to note that archiving does not delete the contact, allowing you to restore them if needed in the future. To view archived contacts, return to the Audience section and click on the three dots located next to the Manage Audience option. From the drop-down, select Archived Contacts. This will take you to a list of all contacts you have archived previously, enabling you to manage them as necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.